Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. In today's card making project, I'm using this die and I have done the die cut using silver cardstock, and I'm going to adhere it on this base cardstock. This is a beautiful die. I never used it, so I thought I have to use this time. So I'm going to adhere it now with using the glue because it's easier to adjust it on the cardstock. By the way, if you have not subscribed my channel, can you please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on so you can get my new videos as I post it. So now I'm going to keep it for drying, and then I'm going to work on the background. So I'm using this cardstock and I'm going to do watercolor stamp. I'm just coloring on top of the stamp and spray some water and stamp on the cardstock. I'm just using two colors for the stamping. So I'm going to let it all dry. So I use this die to put in the center of the card. It's a beautiful die. Now I got these flowers from the big box stores, so I'm going to use these flowers. I'm going to place it and see how I want it and what colors to use, and then I'm going to adhere this cardstock. Now I'm going to adhere this beautiful die in the center of the card. I'm going to list all the things I use for this project in the description below. So before I stick all those flowers, I'm going to first stamp it. So now I'm going to add all those flowers. So I am adding this curvy thing. I don't know what is it called as, but this gives little bit of interesting look. So I am adding on both the sides like that. So now I'm adding some glitter in the center of the flower. It was too plain, so I thought it should be nice and glittery because the frame is all in silver cardstock. So now I'm finishing it by using this sequence. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on and share it with your friends. So you can also see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.